Moving on now, several parts of the Kashmir Valley are still reeling under the economic effects of last year's flood. But even as many people haven't got any relief money yet, some are withdrawing it multiple times. India Today has accessed documents which reveal how a single person has fraudulently managed to withdraw relief money 4 times. The person has managed to receive 50,000 rupees 4 times in different bank accounts. India Today's investigation has also unearthed that the same person had opened different accounts for the purpose of acquiring relief funds. Remember, over 1.5 million people were affected in the floods that devastated large parts of the Kashmir Valley, especially Srinagar, in September 2014. And with the startling revelation coming to the fore, the outrage is peaking.
सुनने में आया है ऐसी बेजाबदगियाँ हो चुकी है। ये गवर्नमेंट का काम है। जब एक इंडिविजुअल के पब्लिक में ये ऐसी वो बातें उठी है तो नेचुरली पब्लिक को, गवर्नमेंट को भी पता होगा। प्रेस में आया है, अखबार में आया है, गवर्नमेंट को एक्शन लेनी चाहिए थी।
The Chief Minister should come out and probe this. It is a disappointment. The flood victims have not received their due. And now that there are being these arms that are being sent their way, these arms are being sent to the same person 5 times, apparently and presumably to people who have political leanings with the ruling dispensation. So it is extremely grave and extremely unfortunate, and we demand a clarification from the Chief Minister. Let's
go across now to Shuja ul Haq, who joins us from Srinagar for more on this. Shuja, how was this discovered?
Well, Sanket, you know, it's just a pointer towards the larger issue. How is it discovered is when we got a little bit of tip-off about it, and I started investigating and looking into this entire list. In fact, one of the lists is in my hands. It's not just about one person who has managed to fraudulently make 4 different accounts and then withdraw money accordingly. It's just the tip of the iceberg. What we are apprehensive about is the fact that we could only figure out one name. There could be thousands of such names with the connivance of local officials who have managed to duplicate their accounts or lay claim on the amount which was supposed to go to the poor and needy at that point of time. And let me just also remind you, this is the money that has come from Prime Minister's Relief Fund, and this was directly supposed to go into the bank accounts. The Prime Minister had come here and announced that I don't want to go through the entire official mechanism of the state government because most of the times it doesn't reach the real needy and those who actually require it. Now this is happening with the scheme that the government of India directly was supposed to manage. People have managed to create fake accounts or multiple accounts and then transfer money. As I was pointing out, it seems only the tip of the iceberg. An investigation, a probe is something that needs to be carried out on this. We can't do this probe because we have limited access to these records, and as far as our access is concerned, we have certainly found out that there are discrepancies. The shocking part is that even now the government seems to be absolutely not caring about it. We've been showing this since yesterday, and not a single person from the government has come forward and shown willingness to probe it or move or react. That's the shocking part, Sanket.
That's right, Shuja. Many thanks for joining us for more on this story. We are getting political reactions as well, where opposition parties are saying that, in fact, going a step further, where they say that most of these people who are being benefited have some sort of a connection with the ruling combined.